LAX project, Local Accountability for Kyoto Goals, or put more simply, how to analyze, plan and improve the city's environmental impact on climate change. LAX is a European project developed by the municipality of Reggio Emilia together with 3 partnering cities, Padova, Girona and Bydgoszcz, and the ARPA Emilia-Romagna. Its aim is to provide other Italian and European cities with tools to monitor the climate-altering emissions, mainly carbon dioxide, assess the impact on the environment and adopt corrective actions reporting the results. The wider aim is to assign responsibility to the various components in society, so that they adopt daily behaviors aimed at reducing emissions. For more than 800,000 years, the natural concentration of CO2 in the air has undergone constant variations. But since the Industrial Revolution, the increase in carbon dioxide levels in the air has rocketed, with a consequent negative effect on global warming and climate change. And this trend does not seem to be halting. The expected growth in world population for the year 2030 will increase energy consumption, taking the CO2 to critical levels. These are the reasons why the European Union has decided for the year 2020 not only to increase by 20% the production of renewable energy, but also to reduce by 20% the energy consumption and climate-altering gases. To reach these objectives, local authorities, schools, companies, citizens, and all the other institutions must work together. This is why LAX was born, to help local authorities plan environmental policies that comply with international laws. LAX will draw out the city's untapped potential in order to grasp new opportunities and contribute to improving our environment. At the heart of the LAX project are the concepts of accountability and thus responsibilization. Indeed, LAX has created an innovative model that traces and evaluates environmental policies, allowing the results of the commitments made to be assessed. In this way, the authorities will be able to demonstrate in a transparent manner the effectiveness of their environmental policies. The first phase of the LAX project consists of gathering information regarding international best practices and methodologies for the assessment of emissions. During the second phase, this data will be used to create a shared model of climate accountability, which will be the reference standard. The third phase will instead concern the application of the model obtained in the territory. The fourth and final phase will be the assessment of local results for the creation of guidelines and their distribution, thanks to the participation of the stakeholders. These 4 phases are powered by a key mechanism, the LAX Inventory Tool, a user-friendly software that automatically converts the input data on energy consumption into a report on climate-altering emissions. Thanks to this process, developed by the pilot municipalities along with ARPA, it is possible to realize the 3 operational tools that each city will be able to use within its territory. The Greenhouse Emissions Report, the inventory that records territorial emissions, the Mitigation and Adaptation Plan to decide on how to reduce the greenhouse gases, and the Climate Balance for the financial reporting and accounting of the actions. The impact of LAX on the territory not only involves the public administration policies, but also some sectors which are not managed by the body: agriculture, industry, transportation, trade, and all the other institutions. To summarize, the LAX project assigns a responsibility to the public administration as well as to the stakeholders involved, thanks to a model of transparent work. It is a pilot project that can be used by any administration concerned about environmental problems. Because to tackle a global problem, there must be consistent and shared local responses.